sequences. So what we've done is we've taken a copywriting framework. One of the toughest things we found is for people to write copy that starts conversations or gets the results they want. Our sequence writer is actually pretty advanced. I'm pretty happy with how it turns out. It's not always perfect. I think sequence writers like this that are driven by AI, even though we have a good playbook, they get you kind of like 75%, 80% where you want to be. So what I would do is I would just name this. So I'm going to call it Ops Generative Outreach. My name is Michael. My company is Cloud Advisory. My products is Ops White Glove B2B Outreach. My proposal is I can help you get 10 to 20 new conversations a month with your ideal client. I'm just going to put ideal B2B client. So that's my proposal. The pain points are the complexity of finding data, setting up campaigns that reach your ideal client inbox, and scaling outreach to get your desired results, writing copy that gets the response you want. My solution to this is Opps.ai, and its generative AI agent, Valet, can build multi-channel B2B outreach in 2 to 3 minutes that generates the result you want. I probably wrote more than I have to here. My ideal client, I'm going to say, is the founder of B2B startups in the software or AI industry. Kind of the same thing now. Then you'll see on the next page what it's going to do is like, how many steps do you want in your sequences? I'm going to say 5 to start off. I'm going to do something where I say, no, I want to use satire to get people's attention. And the outcome I want is I would like to have a conversation with people. And the call to action is, hey, can I send my calendar link? Now, you won't always get the immediate result you want. Sometimes you either have to regenerate or kind of play with it. But I think for the most part, it uses a copywriting framework that's pretty effective. So then, that's weird. We don't want that. All right. So it's come up with 5 emails based upon my desired, who I am, what I do, what I offer, pain points I solve, and who I solve it for, and the tone that I want in the emails. It says, hey, ever wish you had VIP access? Picture ideal client responding faster than dopamine hit from a social media. How? Touch of magic we call Opps.ai. So it's using a little bit of satire to kind of make fun of it, and be lighthearted. Here's a sorcery, just smart science. So you may not like always what the AI comes up with, or maybe you're thinking there's small edits. In this case, what I would do is I would just edit it and then save it. And then what do you do with this? Well, once you're ready, once you're integrated, and I'll show you some integrations that you can make, you can send it to an email or a LinkedIn campaign. So this is kind of the manual way to do things. And then I'll show you at some point, once we have all the integrations set up, how to use Valet, our generative AI copilot or AI agent,